Hey guys, Tailgates and Toolboxes here, back with another food snack review. And what do we have today? Ta-da! We have Nature Valley soft-baked PB&J bars. I believe this is something new. I've never seen this before. This was at my local Stop and Shop. I think I paid about $5 for this. We all know Nature Valley. They make those like granola protein bars, granola bars and stuff. So this must be something new they're venturing into. It's soft-baked PB&J bars made with real fruit, peanut butter, and strawberry flavored jelly. That's the side. It's 5 servings per container, 1 bar per serving. So you have 5. You actually have 5 bars in this box. I wonder how big these bars are. Wow! Can't wait to open this puppy up. It's the side. Okay. Like I said, Nature's Valley is known for granola bars. So I guess they're. I almost want to say it almost looks like they're trying to dip into the market of the Smucker's Crustables. You know those packaged sandwiches without the crust. So before I even begin, I'm surprised they didn't team up with like Smucker's or somebody to put the real jelly in here. So, you know, to do a little collaboration. But I can't believe in this box got some decent weight to it. Can't believe there's only 5 bars in here. Apparently they also make grape. Alright, let's open this up. See what we got inside. I had a paper bag on the bed and Bella's in it. I'm hearing crunching. Alright. That's what looks like inside. Pull it out. Alright, it almost looks like a mini almost looks like a square mini almost like a sandwich. So take a tape measure. So it's about, this thing inside is about, let's say 2.5, probably like 2.5 by 2.5. So I got a plate here. Open it up. So what's inside? Let's smell it. Definitely smells like peanut butter and jelly. Definitely smell the strawberries. I mean, it almost kind of reminds me, like I said, their version of the Crustables by Smucker's. It's got this nice wavy design on the top. So smell it. Yeah, definitely smell the strawberry. That's like the most prominent smell. Alright, I'm going to give it a taste test. Alright, I spit that out into a napkin. That is not for me. This is not even comparable to a Crustables. Crustables 1,000 times better. This don't even taste like, I'm not saying it's supposed to be bread, but whatever like cookie this is, it almost tastes like a, I don't know, it almost tastes like a diet protein cookie. The breading is very it tastes totally fake. Totally fake. Let's see if I can dissect it just for like the middle. Yeah, that's... You definitely taste the strawberry. You're trying to eat the cream. You definitely taste the strawberry. I mean, you do taste the peanut butter, but that outer part's gross. You know what? You know what it reminds me of? I'll tell you exactly what it reminds me of. This cake. Now I know what it tastes like. Cause tip of my tongue. This outer cake. This tastes like a giant Fig Newton. That's exactly what it tastes like. It tastes like a Fig Newton with peanut butter and jelly in it. That's exactly what it tastes like. I do like Fig Newtons, but this version of the way they did the, I guess you want to call it the cake part, is gross. It tastes more like a diet. It almost tastes like it's diet. It's very bland. Nah. It's very diet. Yeah, that's definitely not for me. The filling, you do taste peanut butter, but the strawberry filling is way more overpowering. Yeah, this is definitely not for me. Not too crazy about this. Yeah. Not for me. I mean, if you want to try it, it's up to you, but I don't want to hold your breath. I don't like them. I don't know what they were thinking with this. The only thing I'm thinking is they're trying to step into the market of Crustables by Smuckers. That's the only thing I'm thinking they're trying to do. But like I said, this tastes like a cheap fake Fig Newton with peanut butter and strawberry in the middle, and you don't even taste the peanut butter barely, and the strawberries overpowering. It tastes like a fake strawberry. So yeah, all right. Well, that was a disappointment. Hey, you live and you learn. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please hype up the video. Helps the channel grow. If you notice down here, I got a Tailgates and Toolbox sticker. I only have a couple for now. So, I'm going to put one on my truck. So, helps promote the channel. Alright guys, I appreciate you guys watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. I appreciate it. Bella appreciates it. Now she's over here. Alright. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Bye.